Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. No shirt, this will be a quick shave. I'm in a hurry, gotta be somewhere really quickly. So this will be a quick travel shave. I'm going to use the Gillette Fusion. That's what this is, I think. Fusion Pro Glide. There you go. Got like a 1-day beard growth, so this will probably be a good razor for it. Let's do it. Shave Nation Arco shaving soap. Remove the cap. Hot water. Get it going. Warm up the face. Simpson's Case shaving brush. Remove the cap from the container, storage container. Drop out the brush. Soap under the hot water. Let's raise it up a little bit. There we go. Take the brush right onto the soap. A little more water. Directly to the face. Drive it into the beard. Very quick lather. Nice and thick, slippery. Set those down. Swipe the lips, swipe the neck. Clear the runways. Ready? Shh, shh. Start with the precision trimmer. Sideburns. Under the nose like I did. Rinse it. Now carry on with the shave. Lighter beard growth, you can take longer strokes like this. Heavier beard growth, you would need to shorten up. This is a quick shave. Could not go this fast with a heavier beard growth. Rinse. Left side. One rinse per side. Rinse. Quick rinse of the face. Relather the soap. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways. Across the grain. Against the grain. Rinse. Across. A little bit messy, it's okay. Clean up. Feel around. A little buff. Cold water rinse. Pat the face dry. Aftershave balm. Done. Not my favorite shave, but in a hurry, just a few minutes, in and out. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.